We're going apartment hunting.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no drinking style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
All right, so we're on our way to H-Mart. I'm really excited because this is my first time going to H-Mart. I don't know why I'm excited. There's another like Asian store in Chicago. What's it called? Oh, it's called Gangnam, and I love that store. So this is my first time going to H-Mart, and I'm really excited. I'm with my sisters, and we on the way. And we're gonna vlog when we get there. Let me turn off the AC.
The AC's not on. That is the heat.
I mean the heater. Okay, I'm sure the audio is much better like this. But yeah, we're on our way. Yeah. All right, we at H-Mart.
Mom, how many you are? Yeah, that one looks like a pound by itself, right? These three look like a pound. Yeah, let's take these three and weigh it. That's a pound.
I love kimchi so bad. Okay, the sushi looks so bomb. Is this even sushi? It isn't even sweet, spicy, boneless. I don't think that. Oh, there's sushi down there. Okay.
Yeah, sushi.
Okay. I guess it's giving more dough down here.
That's still, but this is not giving.
Yeah, I'm near it. Is it good? Move out the way, Des.
Tired.
That looks good.
It is. Yeah, it does.
Is there any sauce with it?
It's only ketchup.
But then you gonna get one for mommy?
Well, we can't save it. It's not gonna be good anymore. It's a hot dog.
It's a.
It's meant to be.
Okay, so I'm about to try the. I tried it already, but.
Did they give you the mayo?
Korean dog.
Oh,
yeah, the spicy mayo. I want it. That's me. I'm gonna try it without the sauce and then with the sauce.
But it's not really attached to the stick, that's why.
It's like sliding. So you get a patch.
Mine fell on the floor.
Pretty good. Okay, trying it with the sauce. Stop. The sauce. You want to try the sauce?
Yeah.
The Jersey egg.
Oh, they give me the one without the hot dog. I wanted it with it.
I told you only because of the cheese. Damn.
Oh.
It's good. I give it like an 8 out of 10.
Why not 10?
Just because it's like a weird combination. It's like sugar on it and stuff.
fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be mine. You fucking warm with my heart, just give me everything so I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Look at my skin, guys. It looks so good. So good. Chef's kiss. And I think it's because today is a solar eclipse. That's probably not the reason why, but my skin looks so good. And I think it's mostly because of the lighting. And the sun is like literally beaming directly on my face. But anyway, it's Monday. I have work in the next, well, I have a meeting in the next 3 minutes. So I have to be on time for that. As for my day, I think I'm gonna view an apartment. I also wanna take a walk in the city. I also want to, what else did I wanna do? I wanted to go to Zara too, because it's been a while. And a while for me is like 2 weeks. So it's about that time to see what they have, if they have anything new. And what else? Did I say I need to view an apartment? I might view an apartment. I think they have availability for some showings today. And I'm likely gonna go out on my lunch break. But that's about it. I think I want to film some content later, like a nighttime, wind down with me, routine type of thing. We'll see. I always have so much that I want to do that I don't end up doing, but it's good for me to like plan ahead for a bunch of stuff and at least get a couple things done. But I don't know what the rest of the video is going to look like, but if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, and yeah, thank you.
Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. That feeling just goes stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting. We both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on. We're in a song. Are you on your way?
These are so.
Are you coming to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Gotta hold the sheet, don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Oh.
My nose is so itchy. Okay, so this is what I got from Sephora. I just made it back home. As you can see, my bags are so crazy. So I just need something for it. Like, I feel like they're not that bad, but then like when I'm working and I have my camera on at work, like it looks so bad on camera. Like it just looks like I get no sleep at all. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on right now. You can also wear it with like a serum. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna apply it as is. I feel like I put it too close to my lash line. Okay. They're so cute though. I put it way too close to my lash line, but it's fine. I'm gonna give it a shot. But yeah, that's all I got from Sephora. I was supposed to return a couple things too, but I just forgot. And I got some Subway. I got some boba too. And I got a foot long. I was tempted to get a churro or a cookie, but I didn't. I was being good. I was very close. So let me tell you guys my Subway order. I had turkey with Italian herb and cheese bread and giardiniera, extra onion, tomato, mayo, mustard, a little bit of chipotle, and green peppers. Did I say that already? And green peppers. So I think I'm gonna put on a movie. I don't know what movie. So I'm gonna put on a movie and just chill. I'm gonna do an update on the eye patches once I wear it a few times. But this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a comment, like I said. Subscribe. Do all of that. Thank you for watching. Bye.